Day 1 of learning in public. Let's create a custom Vite template.
So let's get started. So first we are going to look into how we are going to be creating the Vite template. So let's go to Vite, get started. We have installation. So basically this is the part. If you want to try vanilla, these are the defaults which are available for an npm install, but Vite also says that you can scaffold your Vite project using custom templates. You can use npm create Vite app or use custom templates like my view dash like template, which template you want to use from this pre-existing custom templates which Vite already has on their GitHub. You can check that out, or let's check that out actually. So these are community maintained templates. You can check these out. So there's a lot of community templates there are pre-existing here, like about all vanilla, vue, react, bun, solid, svelte, electron. So you can check that out, what kind of folder structure you would be needing for your custom template. So you would have, uh, basically we can scaffold all these projects using a tool called degit. We'll install that I've installed that. You can install degit using npm degit. So degit, you can use npm gdegit to use install it globally. I have already done that. You can do that too. So and you can use, and to use degit, we are going to be following this. So basically what you do is you create a Vite project according to your need. If it's a React project, we don't have Next.js, I guess. React, Svelte, whatever framework you like. Then you can customize it and publish it to GitHub, and from there we can use Digit to scaffold our project. So basically, it would take, uh, ignore every previous updates and just get the latest folder structure. So you can then do npm install and npm run dev. So let us get into our terminal. And create a React tab with a template React. Let's name it Bingo, Bingo Man. And scaffolding for done. So here we are. Let's do an npm install. Okay, we are to Bingo Man npm I. Let's start the dev server. We see Reactor. npm run server started. Let's that. Let's see if our app is working. And we have an app starting. So now let us install Reactjs in our project. Let's go for Vite. We have already done this. Let's copy this into our terminal. Let's cut that. also get this. Let that initiate. Let's go to our browser, copy this file. We don't have a TS config, so we'll go to our terminal, clear this. Yes, we have a telephone. We don't have a JS config, so we'll create a file. Type JS config.json. So let us hop on to code and check we have our JSON. We have an empty file. We'll add this from our browser, copy this into our VS Code, paste that, and we're almost done. So update with config, we'll do this. So what is next? Also we have to update our Vite config.javascript. Let us copy this portion, copy this. Let's go to VS Code, get into our vconfig, paste that. We don't have a result path, so we'll go back to the browser, take this file, come back to our VS Code and paste this. We are done. We can leave this, we can leave that. Let's go to our browser. What's next? We run, return it. This basically initialize Shatcn in our project, so we would have to like answer some questions like TypeScript no, default no, New York, stone, global CSS file. It would be my dot slash src slash index dot css. Like CSS variables, yes. Custom tailwind prefix, nothing. Tailwind config. Let's write add components, yes. Libutils, server components, no. Write configuration componentization, yes. So while this initializes, we have completed this. So let's check out browser if our app is running with this React. We have some issues here. Okay, it's resolved. So we have stripped it of all styling and now we have Tailwind. So let's configure this some of my way. We are going to get React router DOM. So let's take this, go to our terminal, have React router DOM in our template. Let's also put React snap. So after we have finished this, we'll customize a bit we'll tinker with some files on VS Code. So let's do that. Assets will let it be app.css. We'll remove this, we don't need that. It's going to be tailwind index.css. This is our tailwind, okay, so we don't touch this app. This is going to be same. App.css, app.css, we are going to be removing this. 11 h1 h1. This is a Vite plus React shared CN template. We'll add button. We'll import that later. So we will go to our browser, basically browser, and get a button component. Button, let's install that. We'll go to our terminal and do this. So now we can jump to VS Code and import this. Click name. So now we'll be able to see button from the UI library. Button. We don't need this. Not this, not this, not this. And as you can see, there is a component which has a UI folder which has our button component from chat.cn. So let's save this and see in our browser what do we have. So this is our component. You can click this. So here is our template. We can customize this however we like. So now you can upload this to GitHub. GitHub as I have, you can follow this. There will be a link to this repo in the description. You can check this out. And while doing this, while creating a repo, checkbox, tick a checkbox which says use this repository as a template repository, something of that sort. Make it a template repository. Check that box and you'll get this here. So now if you want to create a new repository with this structure, you can create it, or you can use degit to basically you can use npx degit to basically scaffold your project and seed into the project. You can do this. So here, in case if you want to scaffold my project, let's try this which I have created here. So we will be requiring Portuguese Reactjs. So we go to our terminal. Let's copy this from the browser. You can copy this. My project, let's name it demo. It doesn't have to be this hashtag means the repository should be a main branch, so do keep that in mind. Let's see. So let's create a project here. So we have cloned a project. Let's we can do cd. We have a similar folder structure. We have tailwind config.js, we have a javascript config.json. So basically we have everything, right? So when you do the next thing, you go to a browser. Here you can check this out. You can cd into the project and npm install and npm run them, and you have a basic folder structure or a customized Vite template for yourself.
So if you find the video helpful and informative, please hit the like button and I'll meet you next week.